In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove yourself from a shared file in Google Drive using the Remove Access option on a computer. This is a quick way to clean up your drive when you no longer need access to a document or folder someone shared with you. Don't worry, removing yourself doesn't delete the file for anyone else. It simply removes your access so it no longer appears in your Google Drive. Start by opening a web browser and going to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, sign in to your Google account. If you use more than one account, double-check that you're in the right one, especially if the shared file came to a different account than your default. On the left sidebar, click Shared with Me. This section lists files and folders others have shared with you. If you don't see the sidebar, look for the menu icon to expand it. You can switch between list and grid views to make scanning easier, and the search bar at the top can help if you remember part of the file name. Locate the file or folder you want to remove yourself from. Keep in mind, if it's a folder, removing your access to it affects your access to everything inside that folder as well. Right-click the file or folder. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu, or you can select the item and click the three-dot More Actions button on the toolbar. From the menu that appears, click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you can see who has access. In the sharing panel, find your own entry. You'll see your access level such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Next to your name, click the drop-down for your access level. From that drop-down, select Remove Access. This option removes only your access. It won't affect the owner or any other collaborators. If the option appears unavailable, you may not be able to change your own access due to the file's settings, and you would need the owner to remove you. After selecting Remove Access, close the sharing panel. Google Drive updates automatically. You should see the file or folder disappear from your view, particularly from Shared with Me and anywhere it was shortcut or previously visible in your drive. If you still see it momentarily, a quick refresh usually reflects the change. That's it. The file or folder has been removed from your Google Drive, and you won't be able to open it unless the owner shares it with you again. If you removed yourself by mistake, just reach out to the owner and ask them to reshare. That's how you remove yourself from a shared file in Google Drive using Remove Access. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.